Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to resolve the trading disabled issue on Metatrader 5. I opened MT5 recently to place a quick trade and noticed a message, trading disabled, which can be confusing if you're not sure what caused it. The first thing I usually check is whether the trading account is funded. Many brokers won't allow trades until you've made your first deposit, so if the account is brand new and has no balance yet, adding funds usually unlocks trading immediately. Another thing that sometimes causes the issue is the app itself. If MT5 has been running for a long time or the data gets a bit messy, the app might glitch. In that case, I either clear the app cache or reinstall the app so it refreshes properly. One more thing people often overlook is market hours. Forex pairs, commodities, and indices don't trade all the time, so if the market is closed, MT5 will show trading as disabled until the session opens again. Once those three things, funding app, condition, and market hours are checked, trading usually comes back online. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.